And good morning. And I'm sorry we're having a late start this morning, but all things work together for good. Please accept my apology. This week we're looking at just a simple statement, a verse actually that says in Luke 12:48, when someone has been given much, much will be required in return. And when someone has been entrusted with much, even more will be required. And I wanted to bring this home because for this year, we're going to be looking at how much we do impact and how much we're able to influence what God is saying. And I wanted to make sure that we're aware we're going to move from a place where it is a cavalier kind of que sera events or activities to where we're now pushing that every time we meet, every time we walk out of our homes, every time we engage another individual, that is going to be about what our capacity brings, what God has made us, what God has gifted us with, what God would have put as part of our makeup, whether from the Spirit of God or from whether it's related to where our families were and etc., our life experiences. I want us to be aware that God would have made all of these investments in our lives with the intention that his investment would yield. So he says, if you've been given much, that means this is a gift, my brother, my sister, this is a gift. If you've been given it, it means that you didn't have to pay for it. We didn't have to go about and work for it. No. This is a gift. If something has been given to you, then if somebody gave you a washing machine and they see you washing at the sink, still scrubbing and using the scrubbing brush, etc., to get the clothes clean, and you've never plugged in the washing machine because you feel that you don't know how it works, or you're unsure as to, you've heard other people say it doesn't wash clean, and you've heard all of this stuff, but you've never plugged it in and tried it in yourself. It means that you have a capacity to get something done and you never even attempted to use and that's where this is. What you have been given. Now, something is going to be invested so that you're able, through the power of God, to see it multiply, grow, develop, mature, so that at the end of the day, you're able to say to God, I've maxed out based on my ability. I've exceeded all human expectation, and I've landed in where the divine Spirit of God gives real grace. So my question to you is, what have you been given? What did God single you out and give to you that you need now to reinvest in the kingdom so that you see the value and the purpose of it? Hey, that's your homework for today. God gave me something. Have I been using it? God gave me something. Have I invested it? God gave me something. Have I, and that has defined my capacity. Have I maxed out usage of it? If not, then we need to repent. Then we need to realign ourselves. And then we need to push forward in faith. Hey guys, see you tomorrow. God bless.